Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're already in Final Cut Pro. Select the clip and position the playhead where the zoom begins. Open the viewer controls and enable transform so you can see anchors and handles. Once done, decide whether to work on the original or make a compound clip. That keeps keyframes tidy and avoids accidental trims. Make sure snapping is on if you want frame-accurate placement, and zoom targets are framed clearly before adding animation. With the clip selected, open the inspector and locate transform. Scale and position are your main controls. At the start point, click the keyframe diamond for both properties, then move the playhead to the endpoint and change scale and position to frame the subject. Adjust the anchor point if the zoom pivots oddly. Moving it recenters motion. Once keyframes exist, select them and choose ease in or ease out for natural acceleration and deceleration. Now refine timing. Open the keyframe editor or expand the clip to nudge keyframes for rhythm and pacing. If the zoom introduces jitter, apply stabilization or switch to optical flow when retiming. That preserves smoothness. Once satisfied, render or export a quick test to check sharpness, clipping, and motion artifacts. If the image softens, reduce extreme scales or reframe with higher resolution footage. Otherwise, undo the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.